Hello everyone. This is part 18 of Complete Hindi Language series from Basic to Advanced, and today's topic is word formation with Matra of au. So let's get started. We have already seen word formation with Matra of a and e and e, u and u, re, a and I, o, and this is our today's topic. Okay. Please remember all these symbols created by their corresponding letters. Okay, this is very important. So this is our today's topic, and letter au creates this symbol. This symbol is known as matra of au. Okay, this is letter au, and this letter creates this symbol. The name of this symbol is matra of au. Okay, so let's see this one. This is letter ga, and this is matra of au. After applying matra of au with letter ga, it will be pronounced like gau. Okay, this is letter ga, and after applying matra of au, now it became gau. Okay, pronunciation of this word would be gau. Similarly, this one. This is letter K and this is mother of au. Now it became gau. This is ta and this is again mother of au. Now it will be pronounced like tau. And we have already seen this word here. Let's see this one. This is letter cha and after applying mother of au, now it will be pronounced like chow. And this is pa and this is ara. Now it became chopper. Okay, chopper. 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 This kind of game. This is letter cha and this is mother of au and this is ka and this is mother of badi. Now it became chowki, chowki, chowki. Please focus on the pronunciation of words. It is very important. Okay. Na, mother of au. This is ka and this is mother of a. Now it became nauka, nauka, which means boat, which is shown here in the picture. Ga, mother of au. This is ra, this is mother of badi. Now it became Gauri, Gauri. This is ma and this is mother of au and this is ja. Now it became ma au ja, moj, moj. Okay, which means enjoyment. This is ta and this is mother of au and this is ra. Now it became taur, taur. Okay, taur. Please try to understand the nuances of these two matraएं. Okay. This would be pronounced like ko, but when we apply matra of au, the pronunciation of this word would be cow. Okay, cow. Let's see example. Now it will be pronounced like कोयल, कोयल. And the pronunciation of this word would be K, mother of O, shell, kaushal. Okay, I hope you understood the basic difference between these two matraएं. This is ma and this is again mother of O and this is la, this is mother of A. Now it became Maula, Maula, okay? Maula. This is again ma and after applying mother of O, now it will be pronounced like Mau. This is ka, this is mother of A, now it became Mauka, 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 okay? Which means chance. This is sa and this is mother of O and this is da and this is mother of A. Now it became Sauda. Sa, mother of O, da, mother of A. Sauda. Okay? It means deal. This is fa and this is mother of O and this is ja. Now it became fa, mother of O, ja, Fauj, which means army. Fa, mother of O, ja, Fauj. Na, mother of O, ka, ra. Now it became na, o, ka, ra, naukar. Naukar, which means servant. This is a, this is again mother of O, this is ra, and this is ta. Now it became a, mother of O, ra, ta, aurat, aurat, which means woman. This is da, this is mother of O, this is la, and this is ta. Now it became da, o, la, then daulat, daulat, which means wealth. This is ga. This is mother of O, this is ra, and this is va. Now it became ga, ga, mother of O, ra, va, gaurav. Ga, mother of O, ra, va, gaurav, which means glory. This is fa, this is mother of O, this is ra, this is na. Fa, mother of O, ra, na, fauran, fauran. Please focus on the pronunciation of the words. Fauran, which means instantly, without any delay. This is ka, and this is mother of choti e, and this is la, and this is mother of ao, and this is na, this is mother of a. Now it became ki, ki, lona, kilona, kilona, which means toy. This is ra, and this is mother of ao, and this is na, this is ka. Now it became raunak, raunak, ra, mother of ao, na, ka, raunak. This is ta, and this is mother of ao, and this is la, mother of a. Now it became taula, ta, mother of ao, la, taula. This is pa, and this is ka, and this is mother of ao, and this is ra, and this is mother of e. Now it became pa, ka, mother of ao, ra is mother of badi. Now it became pakori, pakori. Let's say this one. This is ma, and this is mother of ao, and this is sa, and this is ma. Now it became ma, ao, sa, ma, mausam, which means weather. This is cha, and this is mother of ao, and this is sa, and this is ra. Now it became cha, mother of ao, sa, chausar. This is ka, and this is mother of ao, and this is sha, and this is la. Now it became ka, mother of ao, sha, la, kaushal. It means skill. This is ba, and this is mother of ao, and this is na, and this is mother of a. Now it became ba, mother of ao, na, a, bauna, bauna, which means dwarf. This is ma, and this is mother of ao, and this is sa, and this is mother of badi e. Now it will be pronounced like ma, mother of ao, sa, badi e, mausi, mausi, which means maternal aunt. Okay. Now we'll read this complete paragraph. So let's see. This is ma, mother of ao, sa, mother of badi e. Now it became mausi, ka, mother of choti e, ki, la, mother of ao, na, mother of a. Now it will pronounce like khilone, khilone, la, mother of a, e, lai, ga, mother of ao, ra, va, gaurav, ka, mother of badi e, ki, na, mother of ao, ka, mother of a. Now it became nauka, a, mother of a, ga, e, gai, ha. मैं मतलब आओ जय मौज ले मतलब छोटी ई ये मतलब आ लिया लिया के रे मतलब ओ करो चे मतलब आओ के बड़ी चौकी पैर पर बे मतलब आई है bat. I hope you are able to recall this matra. This is matra of I created by this symbol. Okay. So after applying this matra of I, it will be pronounced like bad. And just add this one, tha. Now it became bat, which means to sit. Kere, कर, कै, चे, मतलब आओ, रे, मतलब बड़ी कचौरी, खे, मतलब आ, खा, दे, मतलब आओ, रे, दौड़, कै, कर, है, मतलब आई, ले, मतलब आ, थैला, ला, कै, औ, शल, कौशल, तू, फौरन, सौदा, खरीद, फै मतलब आओ, जय मतलब बड़ी फौजी, बैन बन, बै मतलब आ, जय मतलब आ, रे बाजार में may and skip this letter as we haven't learned about this mother of okay. बै mother of छोटा ओ थे बहुत, रे mother of आओ, न है रौनक है. Okay. Let's see one more time this complete paragraph. मौसी खिलौने लाए, गौरव की नौका आ गई है, मौज लिया करो, चौकी पर बैठ कर कचौड़ी खा, दौड़ कर थैला ला, कौशल तू फौरन सौदा खरीद, फौजी बन, बाजार में बहुत रौनक है. Okay, this would be the homework, but I'll read it for you once for better understanding. Okay. गौरव एक होशियार लड़का था, वह हर सुबह, and skip this one as we haven't learned about this matra, and skip this one too, दौड़ लगाता था, एक दिन स्कूल, this is half se. I hope you are able to recall it. This is complete se. Okay, and this is half se. I have told this thing in the previous video. Okay, में दौड़ की प्रति, and skip this one too, हुई, गौरव ने पूरी ताकत से दौड़ लगाई, वह सबसे आगे था, लेकिन लेकिन अचानक उसका जूता खुल गया, फिर भी उसने हिम्मत, this is complete में but this is half में. Okay, हिम्मत, this is he and this is half में, so the pronunciation of this word would be him, and just add this complete में. Now it became him and this is that. Now it will pronounce like himmat, himmat, which means courage. Nahi हारी, and skip this one too as we haven't learned about this matra. और दौड़ता रहा, अंत में गौरव ने पहला स्थान, this is half से again. Okay, and skip this one too, किया, उसके दोस्तों और टीचर ने उसकी खूब, this is मतलब बड़ा खूब तारीफ की, गौरव बहुत खुश हुआ और उसने मौज मनाई. Okay, so this was the end of the session. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.